We do a lot of fundraisers, and we cover a lot of them. And, you know, 20% of our sales or 40% of our sales, this is 100% of their sales at Barro's Pizza.
All day, all their locations, all around the valley.
Yeah.
And it's a local family.
That's big, Cory.
It's amazing. Yeah, and, you know, there are lots of places, and every dollar helps, every good cause. But, you know, sometimes, hey, it's 10% of this or 20% of that. But 100% of sales today, as you said, are going to a terrific cause. And we'll get to the cause in a moment. But this is what we're talking about. This is what the Barro's kingdom has been built on. And the recipe goes back a long, long time. And look, we've got two actual Barro's here in the wild. Bruce, why don't you introduce your brother and give me his childhood nickname?
This is my brother Mike.
Oh, really? You're one easy on him.
I can do.
Well, Mike, thanks to both of you for all of your family's hard work. And quickly, tell us about your mom, who's really the inspiration for all of this.
Absolutely, absolutely. This was my mom's vision. And so 7 years ago when we started this, it was her vision to give back, and we're blessed, so to give back to the valley and to help people less fortunate than us. Unfortunately, 4 years ago, she passed away. So now we've changed the name to the Doran Barro Hunger Fight in her honor to keep this legacy going.
Well, it's really a beautiful way to honor her. If you don't mind, come up here close to the table. Which pie are we looking at here, Bruce?
That's the Barro Special.
And what makes up the Barro Special? Let's tick off those ingredients.
That is a pepperoni ham, mushroom, green pepper, and onion.
Oh, it's fantastic. And Celeste, my good friend and co-anchor back there, she grew up, she said, on your wings. Now, I don't know what kind of a mother she had, but if you're 7 months old and you're gnawing on one of these things with the buffalo sauce,
That's
it
good for
seems like
teething.
it would make you she said it's good for teething. It certainly brings on the saliva, I'm sure. That's a beautiful thing. Now, the good news is that it's all of this money today is going for a great cause. Jerry Brown is with us with St. Mary's Food Bank, and you're about to strike a pretty big number with this event, eh?
Sometime today, the Barro's Holiday Hunger Fight will go over $1 million raised. It's an amazing thing. In 7 years, $1 million. And that means over 7 million meals, Cory.
Oh, gosh.
It's
now,
incredible.
And who are the folks who are going to benefit from
Absolutely.
this huge
Right, we just distributed
gift?
12,000 turkeys last month. We need to replenish. So we'll be able to do all these. Everybody who donates, buys one pizza today, 70 meals will go to the food bank. So
Wow.
it's just it's incredible. So all 40 locations today, 10:30 till 10 o'clock at night. Anything you buy, if it's pizza, if it's Coke, if it's beer, if it's wings, if it's salad, 100% goes to St. Mary's Food Bank. It's an incredible donation by the Barro family.
What a beautiful thing. And I suppose there's no reason that anyone else should be eating anywhere but at a Barro's today. Am I right, Mike?
I couldn't agree with you more, Cory. This is a chance for the valley, the surrounding metro, to donate to St. Mary's Food Bank by buying food from us. Like Jerry was saying, every dollar today will go. We're hoping all 40 locations will bring in near $250,000 this year.
Oh, my gosh.
We're excited about this opportunity.
you
So
are.
Valley, unite. Come by Barro's
Yeah,
Pizzas.
no kidding. Well, I suppose there's probably a restaurant shuttering program going on. You probably have some compliance teams going around making sure to bar the doors of all other restaurants. Well, Troy, Celeste, there
that's
you
what
are.
I
This
get
is the
right
Barro
there.
Special.
Barro Special.
Yeah, the Barro Special. Ooh, so good.
Ham, pepperoni, green pepper, mushroom, onion.
Now, I wonder
Cheese,
if
sauce.
someone like
I'm kind of
you,
a double sauce guy.
with your talents, could you get the whole thing in? Could you get the whole thing in at once? Yeah?
Okay,
All right,
here we go.
Hold on.
He loves a
He
challenge.
needs 2 hands.
Cory. No, don't choke. That'd be bad. Oh, you missed it.
Yeah, don't choke.
Oh, this is so
my
good. Go. Oh, you are the man, Cory.
Bravo.
You are the man. Kids, don't do that at home.
Right,
He's a professional.
We need a disclaimer up on TV right now.
Nice job.
Well done, Cor.
Cory's back at Barro's. 100% of every. If you go in there and get a dozen wings,
Right.
what do you think? $9, $8? What do
Probably,
they cost?
yep.
$8 goes to St. Mary's. You go in
Everything.
there and get a soda. You go in there and get a $1.95
Everything.
soda. $2 goes to St. Mary's.
It's amazing. You're right. Every penny that you spend is going to go there today, and they probably will see perhaps $250,000 today across their 40 stores, and that may push them over $1 million over this campaign over the last 7 years, I think. But we are in store number 40. This is Kenny's Domain. Yep. It's a beautiful place, by the way. Let's step aside so we can watch Todd and the team. We've got Todd and who else is down the road?
Ron and Tim.
Oh, very good. So they are working on the Barro's special, right? We saw it out front, but now we get to see it born. What are the ingredients we're looking at here?
So we got our pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, got our ham, fresh cut mushrooms, fresh cut peppers, and fresh cut onions.
Boy, I like the speed. And let's say it's on a busy Saturday night. And again, we're here at 32nd Street and Indian School. Yep. How many pies might go out the door?
Just on that night alone? Oh, probably 200 or so.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Well, you are working hard for your money. Now we're watching the special go together, but we also already have down the road there a beautiful pepperoni already assembled. Well, what's the number one pie?
Pepperoni by far is the number one pie.
Yes?
Definitely, yeah. You know, we go through tons out here in Arcadia. Just even our lunch, about 30 pepperonis every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you're going to be slammed today for sure. What time do you open the doors
10:30
today?
this morning.
Is that across all of the stores?
All the stores open at 10:30, open till 10 o'clock tonight.
Very good. Well, let's grab that pepperoni, grab that special, get these guys into the oven over there. We'll watch them enter, and then we'll head over here to see some of our friends that have already exited. And hey, Juan, swing around this way. So we've got a pepperoni coming out here. Beautiful job. What else do we have on the table, by the way?
This is our barbecue chicken. That's our specialty slice of the
look
day
at that.
today. That's our Barro special that you guys saw us make. And then we have our hot wing pizza right here. It's one of our other specialty pizzas.
Love that. Hey, guys, come over here. Let's take these pies out to the front and hand them over to the folks out there. Go ahead and grab one if you will. Juan will follow us out. We'll get a little wrap-up from Jerry Brown on how today's campaign is going to go. Oh, yeah. They're waiting for you out there. Just hand them over to people who have empty hands. And again, we're at Barro's, 40 stores today. It's the Duran Barro big fight against hunger. And if you have not ever been to Barro's, you absolutely must come because, oh, look at this. I love this parade of delights. You know, you can have Santa and all his elves any day of the year. But when you see this kind of excitement, you know you're in the right place. So, again, any one of 40 stores. Jerry, how many times should we eat at Barro's today?
How many meals are there in a day, Cory?
There are 3.
All right.
That's an
And then
aggressive
the
one.
late
6.
night,
I go
10 o'clock.
6.
Yeah.
Quick stop for tomorrow. And
Yes.
what's better than cold pizza tomorrow morning?
You're right.
So there you go. That's 5 meals.
All right. Well, thanks, you guys, and Ken and Bruce and all the Barro's family. Thanks for all of your giving over all of these years, and we look forward to a great year next year, too. But see us at 10:30. From 10:30 to when tonight?
10:30, it opens till 10.
Oh, till 10 p.m. All right. You could certainly eat yourself right into oblivion. All right. That's it for us, you guys.
Sprinkle
great.
some pineapple on top.
Yeah. Thank you, Barro's. Like that. Good corporate citizens of the Valley.
Yeah,
That's for sure.
absolutely.
Good job.